The Philips Hue Starter Kit 1100 Lil is a comprehensive smart lighting solution offering a unique blend of convenience and customization. The kit consists of one Hue Bridge, one smart button, and three 75-watt A19 Hue smart bulbs, providing a seamless transition to smart lighting. The Bridge serves as the core of the system, allowing control of up to 50 lights and accessories, setting custom automations, and offering smart control from anywhere in the world. The bulbs offer a wide spectrum of colors, from warm to cool white, and can be dimmed or brightened to set the mood for any occasion. The smart button provides an additional layer of convenience, allowing for quick light changes without the need for the app, and the entire system is compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. With a high review score of 4.5, the Philips Hue Starter Kit 1100 Lumen is a reliable and popular choice for those looking to enhance their home lighting.